everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to show you how to make this Easter inspired paper squishy. So to start off with, what I did was took a pink felt tip pen and I just drew out a kind of half egg like shape. I just made this in a nice pink colour, but you can do this in whatever colour that you want. You'll then want to colour in the rest of this shape and draw any designs that you want to put on it. I made little dots on mine out of purple and white. Once the Easter egg shape was fully complete, I then moved on and drew the chick inside of it. So I basically just drew a half circle coming out of the top and just coloured it in with a nice golden yellow colour. You can again do this in any colour that you want to, but I wanted to keep it like the traditional chick type colour. Once the chick was fully coloured in, I then moved on with a black Sharpie pen and just drew out a little face on top of it. I did this obviously with the black Sharpie to make the eyes, and I took my white posca pen to make the beak-like shape, and this was so that I could put a brown colour on top without it seeping through. I also added white posca pen onto the eyes to add a little bit of highlight, and again, like I just said, I added the brown to the beak to make it more prominent. I then added tape all over the shape completely and just basically covered the whole chick from top to bottom in tape going right the way across. Now I did actually go ahead and add some more white highlight after I'd added the tape because I wanted to make it a little bit more cuter, but you don't have to do this. I then went ahead and cut out the shape all the way around, cutting off all the excess and stuff like that, and then I taped it down to another white piece of paper. What I then did was cut all the way around again, leaving the bottom of this attached. So once that I had cut that out, I then went ahead with my tape and I just put it around the edge of each bit. I then cut little snips in it and folded it all the way around. Now I do it this way instead of folding it the other way because I like to get the tape really nice and neat around all the edges, and as this shape had a lot of curves, this was the best way that I could do it. You'll want to make sure that you have all sides completely sealed so that you're left with kind of like a little paper bag. Once fully taped up, you'll then be able to open it and stuff your paper squishy. Now I stuff mine with toy stuffing, but you can stuff it with a bag, some like mixed up memory foam, some paper bag, anything that you have hanging around, and once it's filled you'll then want to tape it up. Once fully taped up, your squishy is then ready to be squished. Now I really like the way that mine turned out. It's turned out nice and thick because I put loads and loads of toy stuffing in. It isn't really slow rising, but it does rise really nicely and goes back to its original shape really fast. This doesn't rip or anything like that because of obviously the tape reinforces it, and it's just nice and shiny and nice and cute, and I think it's perfect for Easter. So I hope you enjoyed this video and are enjoying Easter week so far. If you are, then please give this video a like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!